Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox. The application encountered an unrecoverable error. So first of all, what you need to do here is basically this problem often related to Roblox cache files. So what you can do here, you need to open up your browser that you basically playing Roblox. I'm playing on Brave, but the same basically exact steps on Chrome as well. You need to press on the three little dots or three little dashes here on the top right corner. Then you need to go to settings, and then once you're here, then you need to scroll down until you see privacy and security, and then go to cookies and other site data, and then go to see all site data and permissions. And here you just need to write Roblox here, and just clear all the cookies here, right? And after you do so, you need to if you want to try to play Roblox again, you need to log in first, because you will be logged out from your account. And once you do so, then another thing that you can do here is, if you're using Windows, you need to delete Roblox cache folder. And to do so, you just need to on search write %sign app data %sign, right? And you will see this window. Then go to app data, local, and then just look for Roblox and delete this folder here. And after you do so, then you need to go to your installed apps and uninstall Roblox. And don't worry, we will install Roblox super fast and easy. So you need to go and look for Roblox. As you can see here, this one, Roblox for player for PC. Press on install. As you can see here, probably I'll just uninstall. And after you do so, after you install the Roblox here, to install it, it's super fast and easy. What you need to do here is you need to go back to Roblox, play some sort of game here. As you can see here, it says Roblox is now loading, get ready, and you're moments away from the getting into the experience, download and install. So press on that. And then you need to select folder where you want to install the setup. And once you do so, then open up your launcher here. As you can see here, installing Roblox. We need to wait for a few seconds here, as you can see here. And when the Roblox installed, the last thing that you can do here, you need to adjust your Roblox compatibility settings. You just need to go to search, look for Roblox player, then press on open file location, go to properties here, go to compatibility, select run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, and then press on disable full screen optimizations, press apply, okay, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.